Welcome back. This is Miss Babb here. Thank you for joining me for class today. Okay, so today we're going to continue to learn about the AR sound. Who remembers what sound AR makes? That's right. It says R, okay? And this is our character from the animated literacy program, Arnie Aardvark. Arnie Aardvark says R, R, R. He likes to exercise using his arms, right? Okay. So, we began reading this poem, The Dog and the Shark. Last time I read it, and then you repeated after me. Today is I do, we do, you do, which means I read it first all by myself, then you and I read it together, and then you get to read it all by yourself, okay? So, here we go. The Dog and the Shark. Carl heard a bark that caused him alarm. He went out in the dark to check out his farm. A dog in the yard rolled around by his barn, like a cat playing hard with a big ball of yarn. The dog had a stuffed shark that he dragged from a car. Carl heard the dog bark and watched the dog spar. Okay? Now I want you to pay attention to something. We have a punctuation mark that's right here in this very last line. Who can tell me what this punctuation mark is? That's right. It's an exclamation mark, okay? And whenever we see an exclamation mark, what do? Yes, we read it with excitement and our voice goes higher, okay? So let's read this very last line together. And watch the dog spar. Okay? Excellent. Now, I read it. Now it's our turn to read it together. Okay? The Dog and the Shark. Carl heard a bark that caused him alarm. He went out in the dark to check out his farm. A dog in the yard rolled around by his barn, like a cat playing hard with a big ball of yarn. The dog had a stuffed shark that he dragged from a car. Carl heard the dog bark and watched the dog spar. Okay? Excellent. Thank you for reading that with me. Now, it's your time to read it all by yourself, and I have to listen. Okay, so read it nice and loud. Here we go. Here we go. Yes, excellent. Excellent reading, boys and girls. Kiss your brain. Tell your brain how smart you are. You did excellent. You guys heard my dog Marley barking. Come here, Marley. Marley wants to say hello. I know you guys have heard me talk about Marley in class. Here she is. Can you tell them hi, Marley? She's coming to class too. All right. Now, what I need you to do is get paper and pencil. Because in this poem, I want you to find all the words that make the AR sound. And what sound does AR say? R. Arnie Aardvark. R, R, R. Okay? So for example, I'm looking at this word right here. Okay? Can you stretch it out with me? Shark. Shark. That would be a word you would write down in your paper because it has the AR sound. What other words can you find that have the AR sound? In your notebook, I would like for you to write all of them down, okay? So you may pause the video for you to do this. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so did you guys find all the AR words in the poem? All right, well, let's go through the poem and see which ones we have found. So the very first one I said was shark. And my paper kind of ripped, so I'm not going to circle the whole thing. Otherwise, it's going to get on my wall. Okay? I found this word. Can you stretch it out with me? Carl. Carl. Makes the AR sound. We have bark. Bark. Circle it. That caused him alarm. Alarm. He went out in the dark. Dark. To check out his arm. Farm. A dog in the yard. Yard. Very good. Rolled around by his barn. Barn. Like a cat playing hard. Hard. With a big ball of yarn. Yarn. The dog had a stuffed shark. Shark. You have the word shark again. That he dragged from a car. Car. Carl heard the dog bark, and watched the dog spar. Okay? So on your piece of paper, you should have all these words written. Shark, Carl, bark, alarm, dark, farm, yard, barn, hard, yarn, shark, car, Carl, bark, and spar. Excellent work today. We're working on the AR sound. I hope you guys will join me for another directed drawing of a word that includes, of course, the AR sound. See you guys next time.